E-bike na may sariling generator? Electric kapag convenient, gas naman kapag kailangan ng mas malayo. Ito ang powerful feature ng Ranger X and Ranger X Hybrid, ang perfect na e-bike para sa negosyo. Gas at electric, nasa isang unit na. San ka pa? Ang Ranger X at Ranger X Hybrid ay ang dalawang bagong unit ng NXT this 2025 at first e-vehicle na proud kaming sabihin na perfect para sa mga business owners. Pero, ano nga bang pinagkaiba ng Ranger X at Ranger X Hybrid? Ang Ranger X ay full electric katulad ng usual electric vehicle or e-bike. Ang Ranger X Hybrid naman ay may power to switch from electric to gas. This is our first HEV model from NXT. Isa pa sa kagandahan ng Ranger X series na ito ay umaangat ang likod nito for easy unloading of goods at foldable ang upuan that can accommodate up to 8 persons sa likod. Removable din ang bubong to accommodate bigger loads. Maraming features ang Ranger X and Ranger X Hybrid kaya perfect talaga itong pang-business. At kung i-compare sa ibang e-cargo models, talagang obvious na angat ang Ranger X models. Meron itong battery na 60 volts, 58 amperes. Mas pinataas ang amperes, ibig sabihin, pwede sa mas mahabang biyahe kahit pa mabigat ang sakay nito. Meron itong capacity na 800 kilos na kaya ang 10 katao o mahigit pa sa 15 sako ng bigas. With 4.50 by 12 tubeless tires, mas malaki for bigger loads. Meron itong front suspension na 43mm shock absorber with spring. Meron din itong rear suspension na lift spring, ibig sabihin, excellent ang load carrying capacity nito at minimal ang maintenance. Ideal ito for heavy-duty applications like trucks and commercial vehicles. And if you get the Ranger X Hybrid, meron itong kasamang 240cc gas engine coupled to 7.5 horsepower generator na may 4-liter gas tank capacity. Meron itong switch button kung gusto mong i-activate automatically or manually yung gas as hybrid function. Kaya may option ito na range extender. If you switch on the generator, it will give you an additional range na 60 to 80 kilometers. So kung Ranger X is 80 kilometers, pag nag-Ranger X Hybrid, times 2 na ang distance. Also, based on tests, yung 1 liter can go from 15 kilometers to 20 kilometers depending sa bigat ng load na dala. So yung 4 liters can give you 60 kilometers minimum to 80 kilometers maximum. Charging time from 6 to 8 hours. Dimension, length 310 cm, width 120 cm, height 200 cm. Ang cargo body size naman ay length 310 cm, width 120 cm, height 200 cm, at available in 4 different colors. NXT Ranger X and NXT Ranger X Hybrid comes with the following warranties: 1 year for motor, 6 months for charger, battery, and controller. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike,
Let's drive one today!